If you wanted to eject SIM tray on POCO X8 Pro in order to insert your SIM card, then first of all we're gonna take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find our SIM tray. Over here we also have the SIM tray hole, and we can use the eject tool, the SIM eject tool that we can find also inside the box, so you should be able to find yours in there. And we need to put it into this hole over here. And once you do so, once you put it in, you want to push it into the phone in order to make it slightly pop out. So once it slightly pops out, just like that, then you should be able to grab by with your fingernails or fingers, and then you can just completely remove it from the phone. And then once you remove the SIM tray, here's how it looks like. So as you can see, we have SIM card slot in here, we have SIM 1, and on the reverse side we have SIM 2. So now we can insert our SIM card quite easily. So we just need to match the shape of the SIM card slot. So in my case, I can see that here, if I take a look from this side, here in the upper left corner we have this cut port, so we need to match it. So we can just put it in just like that. And then of course you can do exactly the same thing on the reverse side, if you have of course second SIM that you wish to use. And these SIM cards, they should be inserted all the way in, they should not stick out or anything like that, so make sure that they are properly inserted. And then once you do that, we need to of course put the SIM tray back into the phone, so we're gonna put it in and just slide all the way in with your finger, and make sure that the SIM tray also does not pop out. I mean, it doesn't stand out or anything like that, like stick out or something. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.